Okay.
There you go, guys. Over there.
Smile.
Everybody
please.
smile.
Rachel.
Perfect. Awesome.
Rachel's like, not again.
I don't want to be here again.
All right. Good job.
You have to tell Santa what you want.
Candy cane. How about you? What are you looking for? No? You're working on it.
Tell them what you want for Christmas.
Apparently we're still working on our list.
Yeah. He's thinking hard. Better not make a mistake.
All right.
Oh, no.
You be sure and give Mom a list so that she can get it to me, okay? Right.
Do you have a particular color you want? Pink?
Of course.
Boy, I'll bet. We'll try, okay? We'll try to do
You want to tell Santa what you want for Christmas?
I don't know.
Huh? All right, thank you guys.